Hello, today we're going to be learning how to create an Excel spreadsheet like this for your project in Miss O's class. The first thing you're going to want to do is hop in to a new tab, search in Microsoft Excel, go to this office.live.com/whatever. You're going to make a new blank workbook, and we're going to start off here by typing in our data that we collected from everybody. So for me, first we're going to type in la legende or legende, something like that, and we're going to fill in our top row, which for me would, or for everyone actually, would be j'aime bien. And the way you make these bigger is just click in between the letters and you can make it bigger so the words can fit. And then je un peu. And then the last one would be je, I don't know how to say that. And then ba. Alright, now we got the top row settled. Now we're going to type in what we chose, which for me would be jouer au foot and faire du parcours, and I'm not even going to try on that one. And okay, so then you just fill in your data. It would amount to 10, she said, for each person to get. So let's just say I got 3, 4, and 3. Then 7, 2, and 1. And then say 5, 3, and 2. Okay. So now that we got our data settled, what you're going to want to do is click on the bottom right cell, drag it over to A1, which is the very first cell. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Insert. And then if you have this on your computer downloaded, then it should show you something similar to this. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to find a graph column, and you're going to click on the graph she told you to choose. For us, our class, it is this. And now it gives you a nice, neat little graph here, but it's not done yet because we have to label all of the x-axis and the y-axis and all that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to, I'm not sure if it's different on the downloaded version, but it's easier to do on the online version, so I prefer you should do it here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to chart title. That's the first thing she said. Don't misspell it or else she's going to give you a bad grade. And hold on, let me pull this up. So for us is put it above chart and then do Q quest, I don't even know, to aims fair est se Q2 aims, whatever that means, and then click here axis titles, the horizontal axis title, which would be right there. That is less activities, whatever. And then the vertical, put rotated, and then le nombre, whatever this means. And now that's there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on legend, and this part is kind of up to you. Just don't make it get in the way of the graph, or she's going to give you a bad grade. So I put it on the right so it's just nice and easy to see. So now that we have it here, you can't really label the legend on the graph, so my advice is click right here, make it fit to the cell, click right there, and then just type in La Legende. Make that a little bit bigger. Okay, now all we need to do is go to File, which is at the top left here, Print. Keep this as it is. This should pull up. Make sure it's only one sheet of paper, unless yours is bigger than this, then maybe it could take up 2 or 3, I don't know. And now just press print and make sure that the right printer is selected, or else it might not send. Or you could just save it as a PDF or Google Drive and you could email it to her or something. And you could print it, and then that should give you your project for Miss O's class. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Peace out.